Nephron. It is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Each nephron consists of two parts. A. Renal corpuscle or Malpighian corpuscle. It is the part of nephron where blood plasma is filtered. It is present in renal cortex region. The renal corpuscle of each kidney nephron consists of two portions. 1. Glomerulus. The network of small blood vessels which is located between the afferent and efferent blood vessels. The efferent arteriole has smaller diameter than afferent arteriole. It is helpful to increase the blood pressure in the glomerulus. 2. Bowman's capsule. It is the double-layered epithelial cup which contains glomerulus. The space between the two layers of Bowman's capsule, called capsular space. The water and solutes are filtered through the Bowman's capsule. The fluid that is filtered into the Bowman's capsule is called glomerular filtrate. B. Renal tubule. The renal tubule is a highly coiled part through which the glomerular filtrate passes after it has reached the Bowman's capsule. It consists of the following parts. 1. Proximal convoluted tubule. It is the first portion of the tubular part. It collects the filtrate of glomerulus and transports it to the loop of Henle. 2. Loop of Henle. It is U-shaped tubule. It consists of two portions, the descending limb of Henle and the ascending limb of Henle. At first it is present in renal cortex, then enters into the renal medulla, and in the last part it is again present in the cortex region. 3. Distal convoluted tubule. It is present in the renal cortex region. The distal convoluted tubules of many nephrons combine to form one collecting tubule. Many collecting ducts are combined to form papillary duct. Collecting ducts collect the urine from the nephrons and transport it to the medulla of the kidney through papillary ducts.